So to begin, let's get all our ingredients we're going to be working with in order. I've got some ground beef made up here, some white rice, spinach, cilantro, some tomatoes, cut peppers, onions, and black beans. This is just my personal preference. You can add whatever you want to the mix. Let's get our area that we're going to be cooking on nice and toasty. We've got our pan on the stove, and let's apply the olive oil. Make sure it doesn't stick. And then go and crank that stove up to about 7 mid-high heat. Once that stove's nice and warm, go and give all those ingredients we prepared a slide into the pan. It should be sizzling at this point. And now just stir it all up, mix it, make sure it's going to be cooking evenly. For the seasoning, I like to keep it simple. Put some garlic powder on there. Add some sea salt. And finally, finish off with some black pepper. Try to evenly distribute it around your ingredients that are cooking. And then go ahead and sauce that around the pan. Let's let it cook. Let it all cook for maybe 5 minutes, and then have your tortilla ready. Transfer the ingredients onto the tortilla a little bit off center, so they're closer to one edge of the tortilla. This will help with the rolling process, which will come shortly. Now it's time to roll. Now watch closely, this is hard to explain. Cup the bottom up. Roll in the sides, and now roll the bottom over. Turn in the sides one more time, and complete the roll. And now go and pack that in tight. Make sure it's not all going to slip out. And voila, we got a rolled burrito. Now for the easy part. Let's enjoy. I'm going to be eating mine with peach mango jalapeno salsa, a Georgia peach, some carrots, and a hummus I made myself, and some chocolate milk. Additional food items are up to your personal preference, whatever pleases your palate.